Welcome to the Community Analysis of Belleair, Florida presentation. The objectives of this presentation are to provide a historical overview and a community analysis of structure, population, environment, health-related resources, and government and public policies. A prioritized selection of 6 overall community problems will also be provided, as well as the global perspective of one selected issue. The history of Belleair began in 1890 when a railroad magnate, Henry Plant, built the hotel just south of Clearwater, complete with the railroad so the train could drop off the guests. The grand opening of the hotel was in January 1897. In 1920, the hotel was purchased by John McEntee Bowman, who owned the chain of Biltmore hotels and gave the hotel its new name, Biltmore. In 1925, the town of Belleair was incorporated, and during World War II, Bellevue Biltmore became an Army Corps training post. Post-war in 1955, the Belleair population grew to 2,200. Between 1960s and 70s, U.S. Steel purchased the land and built community condominiums in Belleair. The community population grew to 4,000. Today, the 1.79 square miles of Belleair is home to over 4,000 residents and has a population density of 2,191 people per square mile. Bellevue Biltmore has been closed and is no longer a tourism attraction, although Belleair Country Club offers visitors with acres of golf course to enjoy. The main attractions are golfing, tennis, and boating. Belleair offers a private school, Belleair Montessori Academy, which encompasses students from pre-kindergarten to 8th grade. Additionally, Belleair Elementary School is a public school available to elementary students. The community does not have any middle schools, high school, or colleges. The closest are Largo Middle School, Largo High School, and St. Petersburg College. Largo Public Library, located in Largo just southeast of Belleair, offers many library services to the Belleair and other residents. The town of Belleair is located close to Clearwater, which offers many places to visit, such as the Clearwater Beach, Clearwater Marina, Pier 60, which is a very popular tourism attraction, and just recently renovated Capitol Theater in downtown Clearwater, where residents can enjoy a variety of entertainment. The closest museums to Belleair are the Heritage Village and the Armed Forces Military Museums. The town of Belleair offers a Dimmitt Rec Center where residents of all ages can enjoy a variety of sports and events. The Belleair Country Club, located next to Biltmore Hotel, preserves the history by offering its residents a country club lifestyle filled with golf, tennis, dining, and many organized events. Currently, there is no low-income housing available in Belleair. Some of the low-income housing available in the surrounding areas are Affordable Housing Corporation of Pinellas County, Dreyer Group Home, Norton Apartments, Pinellas County Housing Authority, Ralph Richards Towers Clearwater, and Clearwater Housing Authority. These are income-based rentals based on income needs. The residents have to fill out applications and be approved by the government program. There are usually a waiting list, and it is based on availability. Belleair is now home to over 4,000 people. While the fact that Belleair has a household income of $71,000 seems to paint a picture of a well-off community, statistics also show that 4% of the population have a less than high school education, 13.2% have a high school education, and 32% achieved a college degree. 11.1% possess a graduate degree. In comparison, only 17.3% of the Florida residents possess a college education. Cancer is among the leading causes of death in Pinellas County. The second cause of death is congestive heart failure. Age may be the contributor in Belleair. According to the Windshield survey, there is a large number of aging population. Other contributors include smoking, obesity, diet, lack of exercise, and hereditary reasons. Sexually transmitted diseases such as chlamydia and gonorrhea also present a problem at 3,939 and 1,162 reported cases in 2013. As these statistics apply to all of Pinellas County, other surrounding communities share similar concerns. Belleair has many parks to offer its residents. Some include Hunter, Gardenia, Fairview, and Largo Park nearby. As mentioned earlier, it also offers the Dimmitt Rec Center and Belleair Country Club. These provide residents with the opportunity to interact with other members and maintain a healthy lifestyle by walking, bicycling, playing tennis, playing golf, among other activities. There is also a Pinellas Trail, which is the longest trail. Residents also use it for walking, bicycling, and jogging. The town of Belleair has a police department which consists of 1 detective, 10 full-time officers, and 5 part-time officers. The police department is responsible for safety and security of the residents. The responsibilities include house checks, issuing of permits, ordinance violation checks, and bicycle patrol. The close by Belleair Bluffs Fire Department, located on Indian Rocks Road, consists of 12 full time firefighters and paramedics. The services offered are fire protection and emergency medical services. The Public Works Department provides the town of Belleair with a variety of services, including street and sidewalk maintenance, stormwater management, the maintenance of the town's physical plant, and overall management of the town's capital improvement projects. The town of Belleair is currently undergoing construction on the corner of Indian Rocks Road and Ponce de Leon. The project is aimed to calm traffic and was due to be completed in January 2015. It's almost done, but not quite there yet. The construction includes demolition of paved areas and utility pipelines, new storm drainage piping, concrete curbing, sidewalks, handicap ramps, new asphalt pavement, traffic scape crosswalks, and traffic control signage, among other construction. There's also a concern of increasing coyote population in the Belleair area, and the town officials are working with animal services to correct the problem. Finally, the Solid Waste Department in Belleair is responsible for maintaining the solid waste collection and disposal, yard waste, and recyclable materials. This area of concern is very well controlled as the streets look clean and well maintained. Solid waste is collected at the curbside twice per week, or residents can call and request a pickup. The community has many health-related resources available to its residents, including a Morton Plant Rehabilitation Center. Right next to Belleair is one of the best hospitals and part of the Belleair Health System's Morton Plant Hospital, which is about 100 years old and has about 700 beds. Belleair area also provides access to Clearwater Health Department, Belleair Healthcare Center Nursing Home, and Belleair Home Health Care. 3 of the Healthy People 2020 objectives that are applicable to the Belleair residents are C-1, reduce the overall cancer death rates. This would be applicable to the Pinellas County area since cancer is the #1 cause of death. HDS-24.1, reduce hospitalization of adults aged 65 to 74 years with heart failure as the principal diagnosis. Congestive heart failure is ranked #2 cause of death in the Pinellas County. Hospitalization of older adults due to heart failure can be reduced by increasing exercise programs for older adults at the local assisted living facilities. OA-11, reduce the rate of emergency department visits due to falls among older adults. There's a higher percentage of older adults living in the Belleair area. Therefore, prevention of falls should be the focus when dealing with the elderly population. This could be achieved by implementation of fall prevention programs in the local facilities. The Town of Belleair City Commission consists of a mayor, Gary Kotica, deputy mayor, Stephen Fowler, and 3 commissioners, Tom Shelley, Kevin Picaretto, and Michael Wilkinson. The commission is elected by voters in Belleair every 3 years. They're responsible for enacting legislation, establishing policies, and approving the annual budget. The town offers meetings twice a month where residents can come, listen, and voice their opinions and concerns. The meetings are held on first and third Tuesday of every month at the town hall. The calendar of events can be accessed via the Town of Belleair website. The Town's Commission proposed and developed the financial budget, which is part of the public policy. There are currently no issues as the Town of Belleair has maintained its spending within budget. Obesity is a community problem. 26.3% of the population in Pinellas County is obese. It correlates with the problem of cancer, which is a major cause of death, and congestive heart failure, which is the second cause of death, not to mention diabetes, which presents a huge problem in the United States. The Pinellas County preschool obesity is 14%. Obesity affects the young and the old and is a cause of many health problems. Therefore, it is the #1 problem in the community. According to a community assessment done by Morton Plant Hospital in 2013, urinary tract infections and bacterial pneumonia present a problem in the community at 28.7 and 27.5% reported cases. These problems could be associated with the immunocompromised aging population and prolonged hospitalization. The 2013 Morton Plant assessment in the community also revealed that 22.7% of the population in Belleair were uninsured, which would result in issues in accessibility to health care. Additionally, about 17.2% of Belleair population does not have a college degree. Poverty and unemployment do not present a significant problem in Belleair. Poverty is only about 3.4% and unemployment is at about 4%. Therefore, these issues have earned the last place on the community problem list. One of the biggest global public health threats is poverty and world hunger. There are 805 million, or 1 in 9 people in the world that do not have enough to eat. Also, every 10 seconds, a child dies from hunger-related disease, and 22,000 people die each day due to conditions of poverty. 1.4 billion people in developing countries live on $1.25 a day or less, and 1.7 billion people lack access to clean water. Many organizations work to help those in need by providing funds for food, school, and access to water. Nurses can spread awareness about poverty and diseases associated with the global issue by educating clients in the community. This is the end of the presentation about Belleair. Thank you for listening.